Hey, good day traders. PennyStocksSMS.com with a very hot stock analysis. We are taking a look at RESS, and this one may not be on a lot of people's radar considering the fact it hasn't had a lot of volume or trading activity, but this one could be a great opportunity for someone to make some great money in it because we're in a nice consolidation here and we're looking for another breakout. We saw basically since until May, not really hardly any trading. We started to get some volume come in here and send the stock up on a nice run. We were trading around 10 cents and then ran all the way to 29 cents. It only took a few short trading days. So you can see right away that the stock moves on extremely light volume. So volatility can be extremely high on a stock like this, which is great to make excellent profits. There was an opportunity already to make almost a triple if you were able to get in at the 10-cent area. Of course, you'd have to be very patient due to the very lack of trading volume, but that's certainly changed. Now we're starting to see trades come in on a daily basis. We even had one day where we had 1.5 million shares traded. Now keep in mind that's an average of 20 cents, so that's a lot of dollar volume here we had on this particular day. So there's a lot of shares starting to be picked up here, and what we're seeing here is we saw a breakdown of our upward move. So we broke below our trend support lines. We've drawn a trend line here that's basically pushing the stock price up higher. Once we break it, it suggests we're going to see a pullback. We came all the way back down right to the 10-cent area where our last lows were. So this is a support. So now we've got established a very strong support. So any pullback from here is likely going to be met at the support line. So if we were to see any sort of a pullback, watch for a buying opportunity there, or else keep in mind the amount of risk you'd be taking on if you were to see a pullback. Now what we saw from here is a slight bounce up into the 16 to 19 cent range. Now we've built up a sideways consolidation, so the stock's basically channeling sideways. It doesn't know which way to go. We're bouncing between support and resistance, going back and forth. Now what we need to see for a price run at this point is for volume to increase. We need to see an increase in trading activity, and that's what we're going to need to get out of that consolidation range. So if you can get any shares here at the 16, 17 cent area where we closed, probably a great opportunity, or if you can buy anywhere within this channel, because if we start to see volume come back in the stock, and we're starting to see it over the last several trading days, it may be difficult to see, but you can see that volume has been on the increase over the last 3 trading days. That's a very positive sign. Actually, what we can do is we can actually look at our volume tool. We had 2,300 shares traded, then it went up to 15,000, and then we had 35,000. So volume's almost doubling here over the last few days. Watch for an explosive move to come on this particular stock, and if we get a breakout, we should see a move back up into the 29 cent area where our resistance is, and possibly above that. Now we can use the RSI to give us overbought signals. We can see last time we peaked at 90 on the RSI. That's probably going to tell you that the stock's in a little bit overbought territory. Watch for a pullback, and we saw a pullback to the 50, and it's been kind of moving sideways here. So if we do see another price run, watch for that RSI, and that can be a possible exit point when it reaches the 90. Taking a look at the STO, we've also included in here, sort of gives us our short-term trends. We've got a short-term upward trend we saw when the stock was moving up, and then on the pullback we also saw the RSI come down, the STO come down, and now it's sort of whipsawing back and forth, doesn't know which way to go, but we've just come off a downward move. Generally what we should see here is a new upward move come in. So again, volume's increasing, a great sign that we could be seeing another price run right around the corner. Thanks very much for watching, and happy trading.